Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for the crypto.com latest information. Okay, so every user, as you are a crypto.com user, in a sense you received email from the crypto.com. Okay, so recently they are sent for a couple of emails that is related to 27 cryptocurrencies deposit address has been changed. Okay, suppose if you're using for old address and if you're depositing for the particular currency, in a sense you will not get back, you will lose your coin. Okay, suppose if you want to retrieve some currencies, you can retrieve, you need to pay for particular amount. Some currencies you may not retrieve. So this video will be helpful for all crypto.com users. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you're a crypto.com user, you receive this kind of email from crypto.com. So we can see what is that. The crypto.com deposit wallet address. Okay, it's been changed from 7th December onwards. The existing wallet we cannot use. Okay, suppose if you are using for depositing the coin, you will lose your coin. Okay, so asset retrieval may incur fees or may not be possible. In some cases we will not be liable for any lost cryptocurrencies that are deposited to an outdated address. Very important, that is for coming 7th of December onwards we cannot use for existing wallet address, we need to use for the new address. So let's see what are the coins. Okay, all crypto coins or a couple of coins. So totally they listed for 27 coins. That is what here: Akash Network, Archivay, Cosmos, Acceler, Band Protocol, Kronos, EOS, Artificial, Super Intelligence, Alliance, Hedra, Injecto, IRI, SNET, Gino, Kava, Terra Classic, Luna Classic, Newton, Ori Chain Token, Osmosis, Polymesh, Rune, Say, Stacks, Celestia, Wax, Stellar, XPLA, Ripple. Okay, these are all the 27 coins. For the deposit wallet address has been changed, so you need to use for the proper wallet address. So how you can use for deposit for a particular these 27 currency, in a sense we can look with a practical example over here. Okay, this one for the crypto.com application, and from here how you can deposit. Say for example, from there they have provided for many currencies is available. I am taking one currency. Okay, from the interface you have to go, just you can click this one for deposit, because some of the user how they are telling you can lost your currency, in a sense some of them you will keep it for wallet address. For transferring buying wallet address, you will copy it and you will send it for the third person, you can deposit to my wallet, right? So that you should not use it. What is the current wallet address will be there, that you need to copy and send it for the user for receiving the currency. Okay, so for that what you have to do, this is a proper procedure. Whenever if there is any update is coming, whatever wallet address you hold already, don't copy and give it to someone else if you're keeping in your email or somewhere else. Okay, so what you have to do, for the respective application you need to go for deposit. Okay, and from here you need to choose for crypto, and from this, okay, Kronos also available. Say for example you can select for Kronos, and from here what is a network is required. They updated couple of network over here, so which network you need to deposit. Okay, suppose they are telling you can share me ERC20 deposit address, in a sense you need to choose this one. Kronos deposit address, in a sense you need to choose this one. So ERC20 I am selecting. Okay, so this address you need to copy and you have to send it for the person. Okay, so within 16 minutes deposit arrival, 64 confirmation, token contacted information, something has been provided. So you need to share this address. This is what the deposit address, those 27 list. Okay, and network is very important, which network you are getting for the Corona. Okay, suppose you are getting a network through Kronos, but you are sharing to your friend for ERC, in a sense you will not get it. So network is very important. After that you need to share your friends. So this is a way those 27 cryptocurrencies you need to deposit. I think this detail will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, in a sense you can give a thumbs up, as well as you can comment below if there is any queries available. Okay, and you can share to your friends those who are holding for crypto.com user account. Okay, it's very important. Suppose someone is not looking for this application, suppose you can share to them, they can make use of it. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.